I remember the day that I hit rock bottom. I was lost in a sea of distractions, unable to focus on anything that truly mattered. It felt like my dreams were slipping away, and I was drowning in a pool of self-doubt and procrastination. But then something inside of me shifted. I realized that if I wanted to turn my life around, I needed to master the art of focus. It wasn't easy, but I made the decision to take control of my mind and direct my energy towards my goals. I started by eliminating all the unnecessary noise in my life. The endless scrolling on social media, the mindless TV binging, the constant need for external validation. Instead, I began to prioritize what truly mattered to me. I created a clear vision of my goals and I broke them down into manageable steps. Every day I would wake up with a renewed sense of purpose and determination. I learned to say no to the distractions and yes to the opportunities that aligned with my vision. It wasn't always smooth sailing. There were moments of self-doubt and setbacks along the way, but I refused to let them derail me. I reminded myself of my why, the reason I started this journey in the first place. And that kept me going, even when the going was tough. And slowly but surely, I started seeing progress. My focus shaped, my productivity soared, and I began to see the tangible results in my life. I realized that focus wasn't just about getting things done. It was about channeling my energy towards creating a life that I truly desired. Today, I stand here as living proof that focus is the key to unlocking your full potential. It's not about being perfect or never getting distracted. It's about being intentional with your time and energy and never losing sight of your dreams. So if you're feeling lost or overwhelmed, remember this. You have the power to take control of your focus and steer your life in the direction of your dreams. Trust in yourself, stay committed, and watch as your focus transforms your life in ways you never thought possible.